Computer General Introduction. The arithmetic logic unit performs the following actions: does both calculations and logical comparisons. The computer's processor consists of the following parts: control unit and arithmetic logic unit ALU. A microprocessor is the brain of the computer and is also called a microchip. Main memory works in conjunction with CPU. The main job of a CPU is to carry out program instruction, process data and information. When speaking of computer input and output, input refers to data or information that has been entered into the computer, the transmission of data that has been input into the computer. All of the logic and mathematical calculation done by the computer happen in oblique on the central processing unit. The primary goal of a computer is to turn data into information. Arithmetic operations include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Once information is input into a computer, it becomes data. Computer input is whatever is typed, submitted, or transmitted to a computer system. Development of computer. A computer portable and easy to carry by travelers is laptop. The most powerful computer is supercomputer. Param was developed by CDAC. Which of the following refers to the fastest, biggest and most expensive computer? Supercomputer. Which type of computer could be found in a digital watch? Embedded computer. The first computer was programmed using machine language. Digital computer use a binary system to encode data and programs. A computer falls into the supercomputer category if it is at the time of construction one of the fastest computer in the world. Microcomputer hardware consists of three basic categories of physical equipment: system unit, input oblique output, secondary storage. A dash is a large and expensive computer capable of simultaneously processing data for hundreds or thousands of users. Mainframe computer, which is the smallest of the following computers. Notebook. A notebook computer, also referred to as a laptop, is a small, lightweight personal computer that incorporates the screen, the keyboard, storage, and processing component into a single portable unit. Notebook. A personal computer is designed to meet the computer need of a individual. Which device uses a handheld operation system? APDA. Input and output device. The two types of output devices are monitor and printer. Mouse technique used for access in properties of any object is right clicking. To go to the beginning of a test line, press home key. The most common input devices are keyboard, mouse. To see all information which device output users. Monitor. Which of following is not an input device? Monitor. What is a function of a keyboard in computer? Input. Which of the following is an output device? Monitor. The general method for to input the text and numerical data in computer is by keyboard. Output devices make it possible to view and print a data. Hard copy of a document is printed on printer. Which of the following groups have only input devices? Mouse, keyboard, scanner. Which of following groups have only output devices? Plotter, printer, monitor. Any data and instruction entered in the memory of a computer is input. To make the number pad act as a directional arrow, we press shift key. Which key is used in combination with another key to perform a specific task? Control. Control, Shift and Alt are called modifier keys. The pattern of printed line on most products are called barcode. What type of device is a computer printer? Output. A scanner scans both picture and text. What would you do to highlight a word? You position the cursor next to the word and then drag mouse while holding button down. A dash can make it easier to play games. joystick. In MICR, C stands for character. Soft copy in an intangible output, so that what is a hard copy, the printed output. So then what is a hard copy is the printed output. A printer is this kind of device output. The most common method of entering text and numerical data into a computer system is through the use of a keyboard. A keyboard is this kind of device input. Which part of a computer displays the work done? Monitor. Codes consisting of bars or lines of varying widths or lengths that are computer readable are known as a barcode. Whenever we have to give space between the two words while typing on a PC, we have to press a key known as spacebar. The dash key and the dash key can be used in combination with other keys to perform shortcuts and special tasks. Control and Alt keys. Which type of device is the computer monitor output? Which of these keys is not on the number keyboard? Keypad. Control. The primary output device for computer is a video monitor. Mouse provides the means to move the pointer on the screen and give information to the computer by clicking its buttons. Soft copy refers to screen output. Why is the caps lock key referred to as a toggle key? Because its function goes back and forth every time it is pressed. One puts information into the computer by pressing this key, enter key, the key that must be pressed each time a new command or information is entered. Return /enter. What term is used to describe using the mouse to move an item on the screen to a new location? Drag and drop. To select text by shading as you drag the mouse arrow over the text is referred to as highlight. A button that makes characters either upper or lower case and numbers to symbol. Shift key. Pick the odd one. Mouse, scanner, printer, keyboard, none of these. Printer. Letters, numbers and symbol found on a keyboard are keys. A piece of hardware that is used to enter information into the computer by using keys. Keyboard. Capital letters on a keyboard are referred to as caps lock key. Powerful key that lets you exit a program when pushed. Escape key. Printed information called hard copy exists physically and is a more permanent form of output than that presented on a display device. Hard copy. Move the cursor one space to the right or puts spaces in between words. Spacebar. Use this when you want to make all letters capital without having to use the shift key for each character. Caps lock key. Devices that let the computer communicate with you. Input. Devices that allow you to put information into the computer. Input. Any letter, number or symbol found on the keyboard that you can type into the computer. Character. A key that will erase information from the computer's memory and characters on the screen. Delete key. The mouse pointer takes on different shapes depending on the task you are performing. You can use the tab key to move a cursor across the screen, indent a paragraph, only A and B. Information that comes from an external source and is fed into computer software is called input. Which keys enable the input of numbers quickly? The numeric keypad. You use an input device such as a keyboard or mouse to input information. A digital camera is a peripheral device used to capture still images in a digital format that can be easily transferred into a computer and manipulated using graphics software. Digital photos and scanned images are typically stored as bitmap graphics with extensions such as .pmp, .png, .jpg, .tif or .gif. OCR stands for optical character recognition. Which device is used as the standard pointing device in a graphical user environment? Mouse. Which of the following is not an output device? Touch screen. The arrow key can be used to move the cursor in the text that has already been entered. What is a keyboard used for? Input text and numbers and send command to the computer. What are the speakers attached to your computer used for? Handling sound and music. The mouse pointer usually appears in the shape of an arrow. The most common storage device for the personal computer is the floppy disk. Which of the following could be digital input devices for computers? Digital camcorder, microphone, scanner, all of the above. A sales clerk at the checkout counter scanning a tag on an item rather than keying it into the system is using source data automation. If you open a menu and then decide you don't want to select an option after all, click the menu title again or press the dash key to close the menu. Escape key, a key that will erase information from the computer's memory and characters on the screen. Delete key, a mouse is often used to select or highlight. Mr. X has no printer to print his report. He wants to take it to Mr. Y's computer because Mr. Y has a printer. Mr. X could save his report on a floppy disk. The most frequently used piece of hardware for inputting data is keyboard. The dash may also be called the screen or monitor display. The computer monitor is which type of device? Output device. Memory. Typical acronym of reusable optical storage will be CDRW. Compact disk rewritable. Storage which stores or retains data after power off is called non-volatile storage. Data gathering in computer means they allow to use store a permanent memory which holds data and instruction for start up the computer and does not erase data after power off. ROM, read-only memory. When you save to this, your data will remain intact even when the computer is turned off. Secondary storage device. With a CD, you can read. Hard disk drives are considered non-volatile storage. Built-in memory of computer is ROM, read-only memory, a disk content that is recorded at the time of manufacture and that cannot be changed or erased by the user is read-only. Any data or instruction natural into memory of a computer is considered as storage. CDs are of which shape? Rectangular. The instructions for starting the computer are housed in ROM chip. Where is data saved permanently? Storage. A CD-ROM uses laser technology to store large amount of information. RAM is volatile and temporary. A CD-ROM disk cannot be raised and rewritten. How is it possible that both programs and data can be stored on the same floppy disk? Programs and data are both software and both can be stored on any memory device. Secondary storage does not require constant power. The place where the computer stores programs and data is called storage unit. During processing data, programs and processed information are held temporarily in RAM, random access memory. A flat metallic disk that contains a large amount of permanently stored information read optically is called a CD-ROM. Which type of memory holds only the program and data that the CPU is presently processing? RAM. What characteristic of read-only memory ROM makes it useful? Data in ROM is non-volatile, that is, it remains there even without electrical power. To put information in a file on a magnetic disk or in a computer's memory so that it can be used later is stored. a place in the computer system where data and programs are temporarily stored. Memory, a removable magnetic disk that holds information. Floppy disk, the primary device that a computer uses to store information. Hard drive, all of the following storage media have read and write capabilities except CD-ROMs. Formatting is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Saving is the process of copying a document from memory to a storage medium. The term storage technology refers to data storage systems that make it possible for a computer or electronic device to store and retrieve data. Storage capacity is the maximum amount of data that can be stored on a storage medium. Which of the following can only have sequential access? Tape. When you save to secondary storage device, your data will remain intact even when the computer is turned off. A CD-RW disk can be erased and rewritten. Which device can understand difference between data and programs? Which of the following devices have a limitation that we can only read it but cannot erase or modify it? Compact disk. Which of the following is the storage area within the computer itself which hold data only temporarily as the computer processes instruction? Main memory. If a memory chip is volatile, it will lose its content if current is turned off. What characteristic of read-only memory makes it useful? Data in ROM is non-volatile, that it remains there even without electrical power. A DVD is an example of a optical disc. Which of the following are advantages of CD-ROM as a storage media? CD-ROM is an inexpensive way to store large amount of data and information. Storage and memory differ with respect to which of the following characteristics? Price, reliability, speed, all of these. Which media have the ability to have data information stored written on them by users more than once? CD-RW disk. Storage media such as a CD read and write information using a laser beam of red light. Cache and main memory will lose their content when the power is off. They are volatile. Which of the following is a storage device that uses rigid permanently installed magnetic disk to store data information? Hard disk. Which of the following is an example of storage devices? All of these. Which of the following is an example of an optical disk? Digital versatile disk. The main memory of a computer can also be called primary storage, internal memory, primary memory, all of these. The tracking is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors, that is formatting. It is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. A disk content that is recorded at the time of manufacture and that cannot be changed or erased by the user is read-only. This is a permanent storage device. Hard disk, the space in your computer that loads and works with data. RAM memory, what parts of the computer provides only temporary storage of file? RAM memory.